Meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, Mother Nature is finally giving us the weekend off. We certainly deserve that after weekend of storms. We're not going to see that this weekend. However, some rain or snow is possible. We'll talk about that coming up in just a minute. First, though, we take you to this past month. In fact, this is the last day of February, so we look at this month. And in terms of snowfall, we did not make number one. We made number 7 with 24.3 inches of snow. Number 1 was back in 1962. That February had 30.9 inches. Normally this month we get 8.2 inches of snow, so obviously way above normal for this past month. And March, keep in mind, while it doesn't have quite as much snow as February usually, we still can get some big storms. So stay tuned as we track some action over the next several weeks. But at least in the short term, no big storms in sight. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 not showing much in the way of precipitation. Most of the activity off to our south and our east, and I expect it to stay that way for the most part this evening. There's a slight chance of a few scattered flurries, and we could see a few slick spots on the roads tomorrow, but again, most of those roads should remain dry. We could sneak in some patchy dense fog, however. Temperature right now in Newport is 38 degrees, not too bad, with a wind out of the northwest at 3 miles an hour under partly cloudy skies. Notice on our satellite picture this big pinwheel of energy that will continue to drift off to the east and park itself just offshore over the next several days. Now, every once in a while we'll get clipped by some rain and snow showers, but the majority of the next several days will be precipitation free. Let me show you what I mean with this Futurecast. We're going to go hour by hour. The white represents the clouds, and notice we're not seeing a whole lot of blue or green, meaning that the chance of precipitation is very, very low, and that happens as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Notice how we have a little blip here and there, but not a lot going on. Now, some sunshine possible tomorrow afternoon. By late afternoon, we could sneak in some isolated rain or even snow showers. You could see around 6 o'clock a slight chance of some scattered showers moving through. But again, most of tomorrow ends up dry. It'll be a few degrees cooler than what we saw today. Today we saw mid to upper 40s. Tomorrow, more like low 40s with a breeze out of the north at around 5 to 12 miles an hour. Northern Rhode Island temperatures, low 40s with 40 degrees in Burrillville. And eastern Massachusetts temperatures also in the 40s with 43 in Fall River and 43 in Seekonk. Here's that 7-day Futurecast. I want to focus on Saturday. It's more clouds than sunshine. There will be about a 20% chance of some flurries or showers. So again, most of your weekend will be dry, but I do have to let you know there will be a chance of precipitation. Same story on Sunday too, about a 20% chance of flurries or showers. Then on Wednesday, we're watching an offshore storm that could really hit the mid-Atlantic pretty hard. At this point, it looks like it will stay to the south. I'm just going to throw in some flurries for now, but we need to watch this carefully in case that track shifts further to the north. Right now, it does not look like that will happen. And on Thursday, again, the chance of a few flurries with mostly cloudy skies. Don't forget about WPRI.com. You can always go there for your latest weather updates. So giving us a break as we go into this weekend.
All right, thanks, Pete.
Yep.
Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11, students at